The Komodo dragon, known for its massive jaws and deadly bite, is one of the most dangerous predators in the animal kingdom. These formidable hunters are feared for their ruthless efficiency. While it may be possible to escape a crocodile's grip, the Komodo dragon's attack is almost impossible to evade. A single bite is often enough to kill its prey. Komodo dragons use two main hunting strategies. They either bite and wait for their prey to succumb to their venom or attack directly, overpowering their target. Their saliva contains a potent toxin that paralyzes prey within minutes, making escape unlikely. Today, we're going to explore 10 encounters between this powerful predator and its unfortunate victims. Starting with number 10, the monkey. Monkeys are known to be clever and difficult to catch, but a fall from a tree left one vulnerable in the path of a hungry Komodo dragon. As the monkey struggled to escape, the Komodo grabbed it in its jaws. Just when it seemed the battle was over, more Komodos arrived, and a fierce competition ensued as they fought to claim the prey. In the end, the group's teamwork sealed the monkey's fate. Next, let's look at a pig's unfortunate encounter with a Komodo. Using its sharp snout and keen sense of smell, the Komodo quickly located a wild boar. After delivering a venomous bite, the pig was left helpless, still alive but powerless against the predator. Without waiting for the pig to die, the Komodo tore into its belly, consuming the flesh while the pig writhed in terror. The size of the Komodo is immense. These lizards can devour animals as large as goats in a matter of moments. In another instance, a newborn goat became a swift meal when a Komodo dragon struck from behind, dragging its prey into solitude for a quiet feast. Moving on to a possum, we see how a young Komodo sets out to hunt. Spotting a possum's nest, the dragon attacks. Though the possum tries to defend itself, biting the Komodo repeatedly, the predator eventually triumphs, consuming the possum's feathers with unsettling ease. Despite the Komodo's victory, the possum's brave resistance was commendable. At number 1, we have a chicken. Komodos, being carnivorous, will hunt virtually any kind of animal. Although chickens are smaller than their usual prey, this Komodo struggled momentarily with the feathers, finding it difficult to devour the bird. But after some time, the dragon carried its prey to a secluded spot and succeeded in its mission. One of the most dramatic hunts involves a water buffalo. In this instance, two Komodo dragons target a large buffalo resting in the mud. The buffalo, unaware of the looming danger, becomes the perfect target for a Komodo ambush. Once bitten, the buffalo's fate is sealed. Over time, as the venom takes its toll, the Komodo and its companions return to enjoy their feast. The power of the Komodo dragon is truly remarkable. In one case, it even encountered an electric current near the water, capturing it with ease. Watching a Komodo dragon devour its prey in such a brutal and efficient manner is both mesmerizing and terrifying. In an unusual encounter, a Komodo dragon comes face to face with a python. Both powerful predators, it's a battle of skill and strength. Initially, the python wraps itself around the Komodo, attempting to squeeze the life out of it. However, the Komodo counters by using its powerful claws and venomous bite to wear the python down. Eventually, the Komodo emerges victorious, leaving the python lifeless. In another example, a Komodo dragon encounters a horse. The horse, searching for food, becomes an unwitting target. The Komodo bites one of its wings, causing the horse to panic and weaken. With repeated attacks, the Komodo brings the horse down, and soon, it and another dragon feast on the helpless animal. The tragic end of this powerful creature is a testament to the lethal nature of the Komodo dragon. Finally, let's look at a deer. In one of the most efficient kills, a Komodo dragon stalks an unsuspecting deer grazing in the field. Using its poison-laden bite, the dragon paralyzes the deer in minutes. The deadly bacteria in the Komodo's mouth ensures a swift death, and the predator enjoys its meal without the need for further pursuit. These examples highlight the brutal efficiency of Komodo dragons in the wild. Their size, venomous bite, and relentless hunting style make them one of the most feared predators. Watching their attacks on various animals, it becomes clear that few creatures can escape their deadly grasp. We hope you found this exploration of Komodo dragons intriguing. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating animal encounters. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our future content.